Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited today because we are doing our YouTube hop for December and we have some beautiful products to share. The design team and I have come up with some amazing cards and ideas for you using our December products. Check out the playlist down below. There's also a $25 gift certificate up for grabs. All you have to do is hop to each video, leave a comment, come back to the link that's in the description box and officially enter into the giveaway. You'll be able to unlock some extra entries there. Today I'm sharing the box of the month. I'm also going to share the A2 card fronts that are brand new for December. We'll create a couple of cards, so I hope you stick around to the end. I also did want to mention we are doing our 12 days of Christmas deals. We are on day 10, so make sure you check out the description box for today's deal. So when you sign up for our box of the month, you get 18% off. You'll get your box delivered every 30 days from the date you purchased. We have boxes available. If you click the description box, you'll see the link to the box of the month. We also have the junior box available, so if you wanted just a smaller size, we also have that available. So let's go through what's included. So for your box of the month and junior box, you'll be getting this super adorable stamp called All the Snuggles. It's got cozy winter Valentine vibes. We've got awesome sentiments: sending cozy hugs, let's stay in, love you more, sweeter with you, hug in a mug, all the snuggles, snuggled up with love, and home is where the heart is. We have a sweet couple, a girl cuddling a teddy bear. We've got a cozy cup of cocoa on top of a couple of books. We've got a pair of lattes or cocos. There's steam that you can stamp on top of your mugs there. We have a cute window scene with heart garland. We have a cozy kitty sleeping on this cozy chair. We have a beautiful snowflake with a heart in the center. The card I did using the stamp set turned out so pretty. I did the window scene, I masked it off and have the couple standing in front of it. I used a piece of the ephemera from the Winter Love ephemera pack, and I used the Winter Love paper pad and stamped in Let's Stay In. So the Winter Love paper pad and ephemera pack will also be in the junior box of the month as well as your big box. This is a gorgeous paper pad. You get 4 of each design. Beautiful hearts with that red, blue, and cream color palette. Matching ephemera. I'll put a still shot out so you can see everything that's included in here. Gorgeous ephemera pieces. Let me bring up a couple of the images up close so you can see the detail and how beautiful the ephemera is. Vibrant printing. Beautiful colors. Nice and thick. Very high quality. Here's another card using the Winter Love collection. I did some splattering in the background. I love that. And then I have that sentiment, let's stay in. Perfect for a book lover. There's lots of books in here and a cup of hot cocoa. Doesn't that sound lovely? In your junior box, you're getting a full pack of the Winter Beauties card fronts. Now, if you grabbed Teresa's One and Done sentiment die, it is now sold out. But if you have this die, it cuts out the sentiments in the back of your A2 card fronts, the ones going forward from November. So we have November's card fronts, which was the Rustic Farm, and then we have the Winter Beauties. So you'll just line that up and then run it through your die cutting machine. So I have this one ready to go. I want to use that on one of the card fronts we'll do today. Let's take a look at the card fronts. I don't think I shared it in the previous video. These are perfect if you want to create quick cards and you need a bunch of them. These would make beautiful card sets. You can sell at craft fairs. You get 2 of each. They are single-sided, so you don't have to worry about using or covering up a beautiful pattern on the outside. They're just darling. Use them as little book covers, poke some holes and create a little book. That would be super cute. So not only for card fronts, but you can think of other reasons to use these. So pretty. You can ink up the edges. You can cut them out with decorative dies. I'm going to use this one today and put a little sentiment here. Thanks for being in my life. Look how pretty that is. Love it. And then you get your sentiments in the back. And then the other items that are in the box of the month, we've got Cross My Heart, which has a beautiful red and purple theme. And then we have this beautiful large 6x8 stamp set. This is called Sweet on You. I absolutely love the images in here. Look how cute those critters are with their hot cocoa. We've got a trio of besties here. We've got a nice cupcake, another snowflake with the little heart, an envelope with hearts spilling out, this super cute deer with a bouquet of heart balloons, this girl thinking, and she's got her little latte, and then a pile of heart cookies wrapped in a beautiful bow. Sentiments read Happy Galentine's Day, Besties Forever, Sealed with a Kiss, You're My Dear Friend, Cocoa Kisses, I Heart You, XOXO, Happy Palentine's Day, Love Ya, and Love is Sweet. So great for making a card for your best friend during Valentine's Day and beyond. So this is another card I did. This one is using the Cross My Heart collection. I love these colors in the image. So pretty. The Hugs and Kisses comes from the A2 size card pack, Winter Beauties, and I just cut that out with Teresa's One and Done sentiment die. Let's take a look at the ephemera. I'll bring a few pieces up close so you can see the detail, and then I'll put in a screenshot for you. Beautiful images. If you haven't tried our paper and ephemera, I know you're gonna love it. Your cards look beautiful, amazing, very professional looking. The coordinating paper and ephemera just make it so easy to create beautiful, cohesive looking cards. The Cross My Heart collection is so pretty with that purple, pink, and red combo. You get 4 of each design. They are double-sided. Don't forget, we also have the Paper Pad Club of the Month. You get 2 paper pads. We've got Valentine Mice and Love and Kisses. You can opt in for the I Want It All, which is the 4x6 stamp set, Sweetheart Critters. How adorable is that? Coordinating ephemera Valentine Critters. Absolutely love it. You can purchase this as a one-time purchase or join the club. So here are 2 cards I created using the paper pads. These cute little images are inside the Valentine Mice paper pad. Here's how cute the ephemera looks. Let's put together one of these cards. You do get a sample pack of the A2 card fronts with your box of the month. Right now, you can purchase your box of the month as a one-time purchase or subscribe and save 18% off. So I have my A2 size card base, and all you really need is some adhesive and a sentiment to create this really beautiful card. We could step it up a notch and add some ink to the edges. I like to use some distress ink. This is Vintage Photo. And I'll just go around the edges and make this card look a little vintage. And there we go, so pretty. If you spend $60 or more, this will pop into your cart. This is the Bring It Up ephemera pack. There's some super cute little gnomes in here. Very whimsical, little peppermint sticks. This is a super cute pack. Look at these images, they're so cute. This will go great with some red and green holiday paper. Really cute little sentiment that you can use. From the Sweet on You stamp set, I'm gonna use this cute image, the little snowflake. I'm gonna use Cocoa Kisses. So before I put all my parts together here, I'm gonna stamp off the edge some snowflakes. I think that's gonna look really cute with the snowflake background. And I'm gonna grab some distress inks that coordinate. So I have Worn Lipstick and Wilted Violet.
Coffee in hand, cutting up paper, got a big plan. Pulling out stamps, picking a theme, my craft room's buzzing like a dream. Patterns and colors all laid out, glitter and glue without a doubt. My scissors snip, my die cut spin, let the card making fun begin. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pad and shape. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Ink on my fingers, scraps on the floor, still got ideas, gonna make more. Birthday thank you, holiday cheer, my little stack grows every year. Washi rolls and sticker sheets, layers stacked up, oh so neat. One last touch, the cinnamon sweet, then off it goes, my job's complete. Card maker's gonna make with a paper pad and shake. Add a bow, a gem, a dot, crafting magic on the spot. Stamp it once, emboss it twice, throw in sparkle, make it nice. From the heart, handmade and true, that's what card makers do. Late night glow from a desk lamp light, cutting and crafting into the night. It's not just paper, it's love and care, a little piece of me in there. Card makers Scraps on the floor. Still got ideas, gonna make.
So that finishes today's card. I hope you enjoyed that. Isn't that stamp set super cute? It's really, really fun to color. I hope you guys have fun on the hop and get lots of ideas. Thanks so much for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate you, and take care. Bye, guys.